Have you ever wondered what the weather is like on other planets? Well, forget gentle breezes and sunny skies. Some planets have molten rock rain, glass storms, or even solid ice that burns. From worlds darker than coal to planets hotter than stars, today we're diving into the 10 most extreme climates in the universe, all based on real astronomical data. You won't believe what's out there. The twin Earth, Proxima Centauri b. Temperature minus 39 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Climate, possibly habitable. Why it's crazy. Unlike the other planets on this list, Proxima Centauri b is our best hope for an Earth-like world. Orbiting our closest neighboring star, this exoplanet might have oceans, breathable air, and even the conditions necessary for life. However, it's also bombarded by intense radiation from its red dwarf sun, meaning that any potential life would need to survive extreme solar storms. If this planet harbors aliens, they're probably hardened survivors of one of the most unpredictable climates in the galaxy. The impossible world, 55 Cancri e. Temperature, 2,400 degrees Celsius. Climate, surface made of diamond. Why it's crazy? 55 Cancri e is a super-Earth where the crushing gravity and extreme temperatures have transformed its carbon-rich crust into solid diamond. Imagine standing on a world where the very ground beneath you sparkles with precious gemstones. But don't get too comfortable. The atmosphere is superheated and full of toxic gases. And if that wasn't enough, the planet orbits its star so closely that it completes an entire year in just 18 hours. The plasma storm planet, HATP-11b. Temperature 600 degrees Celsius. Climate, massive electrical storms, high-pressure plasma winds. Why it's crazy. HATP-11b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet where the entire planet is constantly engulfed in lightning storms. The electrical activity is so intense that it ionizes the atmosphere, creating powerful plasma bursts. Scientists believe the storms could be strong enough to strip away entire layers of the atmosphere over time. The purple acid rain planet, Kepler 7b. Temperature, 1,500 degrees Celsius. Climate, sulfuric acid clouds, toxic atmosphere. Why it's crazy. Kepler 7b's thick clouds are full of sulfuric acid, and any rain that falls is so corrosive it would dissolve metal instantly. The planet's deep purple haze is due to strange chemical reactions in the upper atmosphere, making it look like something straight out of a sci-fi horror film. If you ever found yourself here, you wouldn't even have time to take a breath before being vaporized by the toxic environment. The boiling ice planet, Gliese 436b. Temperature, 430 degrees Celsius. Climate, solid ice that burns. Why it's crazy. This planet is covered in solid ice, but it's literally on fire. Due to extreme pressure, water on Gliese 436b is forced into a hot ice state, where it remains solid despite being heated to over 400 degrees Celsius. Even stranger, this ice burns in the planet's high-pressure, methane-rich atmosphere, creating a surreal landscape where frozen mountains glow with an eerie blue fire. The 10,000 degrees Celsius inferno, WASP-12b. Temperature 2,200 degrees Celsius. Surface, 10,000 degrees Celsius. Atmosphere, climate, atmosphere being stripped by its sun. Why it's crazy? WASP-12b is literally being eaten alive by its own star. The planet is so close to its sun that its entire atmosphere is being pulled away, forming a gigantic comet-like tail of superheated gas. The outer layers of the planet reach 10,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than some stars. Scientists believe that within a few million years this planet will be completely devoured. The darkest planet, TRES-2b. Temperature, 980 degrees Celsius. Climate, absorbs 99% of all light. Why it's crazy? TRES-2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal. If you stood on its surface, you'd see nothing. Just complete absolute blackness, with only a faint red glow from its overheated atmosphere. The glass storm planet, HD 189733b. Temperature, 927 degrees Celsius. Climate, 5,400 miles per hour winds, glass rain. Why it's crazy. HD 189733b has some of the most extreme weather ever recorded, with winds that tear across the planet at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. These winds carry molten silicate particles, meaning that every storm is essentially a global sandblaster of death. The ice giant, OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB, temperature, minus 223 degrees Celsius. Climate, permanent deep freeze. Why it's crazy. OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB is one of the coldest places ever discovered. The atmosphere is so frozen that even gases like nitrogen turn solid. Scientists call it a super-Earth, but life here would be impossible. Any ocean it once had is now a solid, frozen wasteland. The lava hellscape, K2141b. Temperature 3000 degrees Celsius, day, minus 200 degrees Celsius, night. Climate, raining molten rock, supersonic winds. Why it's crazy? This is one of the most hellish planets ever found. K2141b has oceans of lava, supersonic winds, and rock vapor clouds that rain down liquid fire. The planet is locked in a death grip with its star, meaning one side is eternally scorched while the other is frozen solid. If hell exists, this is it. The universe is full of terrifyingly extreme worlds, and we're only scratching the surface. If you found this fascinating, check out 10 Signs Reality Isn't What It Seems, or click on the playlist right here for more fascinating videos. Which of these planets freaked you out the most? Let me know in the comments.